Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com. Crystal Sykes, LadySavage.com. We are both exhausted. We are whooped. My shirt is like drenched in sweat. We're having a heat wave right now in Arkansas.
Yeah.
And we're doing our final walkthrough of the Compound 1.0. So, we're just going to take you all along for the journey of the final walkthrough where all these memories have been made prior to commencing on our next journey, on our next chapter in the new compound. So, this is the conference room, which is actually this was where all the whiteboards were that I had my brainstorming sessions in. This was my office, which is now empty. And the windows are exposed, whereas before they had the sound panels on them. This little nook of a room was my podcast studio, which is tiny. And this had all those black sound panels on it. This is where I recorded a ton of podcast episodes. The AC vent didn't really work. The airflow was horrendous. So it would get super hot and I'd be sweating like I am now when I was on a recording with a guest, which is never good. This was our studio room for a while. This was also Crystal's office for a while, and it's kind of had multi-purposes. This was Crystal and my bedroom for 3 years. The office, which was our bedroom, we had a mattress on the floor, no bed frame, just a mattress on the floor. This is where Jack slept in that corner. This was our bedroom for 3 years. This was our kitchen. This was the kitchen where we made a kitchen out of an office. We had microwaves and all the essentials. But yeah, that was our kitchen. Bathroom, which obviously pretty self-explanatory. Bathroom, you know what a bathroom's for. This warehouse space was the apparel section, and the gym was on that back half. It looks nothing like that now. We didn't have a shower for the first 7 or 9 months that we lived here. Are you sighing?
Yeah.
So this was the shower that we built, and then we painted this room because we figured the landlord wouldn't appreciate our black paint. And this was all of building 1. I couldn't get this workout template off, so hopefully the future tenants will appreciate what a good, well-built workout template looks like. Now, let's go to the next building. All right, that's the building we just left. We're walking into building 2 right now. This is where the kitchen went down. Part of it anyways. Crystal's gotta remember which key it is.
What in the world?
Do. There we go. Here we go. Let me lock this. All right. This was where the dishwasher was. We had all of our drying racks for the Cambros and the buckets and everything. Our sink, which is now gone. And then this room, ladies and gentlemen, is where the magic happened. This room is the kitchen where all the bricks were made. And this room's been pretty good to us. We have the vault, the walk-in cooler, which is kind of noisy. So this is where we stored all the bricks. Lots of bricks have been stored in this walk-in cooler. Thousands, hundreds of thousands of bricks have been made in this room. It's pretty crazy, huh?
True, yeah.
Hundreds of thousands of bricks have been made in that room. Going up now to building 1. We got this building like halfway through our stay at this place. This was the warehouse space where we stored all of the raw ingredients and the packaging supplies, which was nice because we didn't have any office space or didn't have any warehouse space, so that was a huge help. This was where we packaged all of your orders, so anytime y'all submit an order, this is where all that packaging took place. We got another 3 compartment sink there. That is the owner's, so it will stay. This was additional ingredient storage and film, the custom film storage. This little bitty room was the batching room where we batched the ingredients. It's probably kind of boring for you all watching this video because this is all just a bunch of blank walls. I mean, there's nothing really exciting going on here, but for us,
It'll be so fun to look back on.
we'll be able to look back on this. This is why I'm making this video, for us to be able to look back on in like a couple years and see how far we've come. Another bathroom, spooky, which again, self-explanatory. This was Chip's office. So this is where the media, at one point it was a break room, then it was Chip's office, and now it's just an office. This was the conference room where all the conferencing took place, all the teamwork meetings, all the team day collaborations, all that good stuff. And then the last room, the front office, is where Crystal worked, Crystal's office,
Yep.
and Ellen's office, and that is it to building and compound 1.0. Lots of
It's
memories been made here.
bittersweet. It really is bittersweet because so many things happen. Like, Robert and I got married when we lived here.
Yeah.
You know, like my family's seen it. We've like literally built the bricks from the ground up here. I mean, this was like our first big move, you know?
Yeah.
It was crazy to think that we're like going to do another
But
big move. It's crazy.
the sky's the limit. We're super excited about what the future holds. The next chapter will be amazing. So get ready. We'll see you on the other side.